Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to use the Marquis tool to make a tape type of look. And I'm actually just going to show you where the layer needs to be and what tool we need to use. So basically what you want to do is you want to actually use the master copy. You want to click on that, and then you want to go down over here to create a new layer, as you can see, and you want the layer to be above the master copy, as you can see I've done right here. And now you want to double click on the actual layer 2 wording, and you want to label this tape 1. Okay, now that we have that labeled tape 1, you have a good reference to which layer is your tape and which layer is not, because sometimes when you're working with a lot of layers, it kind of gets a little confusing on what's what unless you label them. So that's why I like to do that to almost every one of my layers. And the nice thing is, if you're using a type layer, it automatically labels that for you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to my Marquis tool, and if you guys remember from earlier, M is the shortcut, so I can click on the M, and you can see up here I'm on Marquis. And basically that's it for this tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys about making the new layer above the master copy and clicking on the Marquis tool. Next I'm going to show you how to actually make your tape.